looking closely at your forecast. We've got the potential for some severe weather as we start your work week. Meteorologist Ellen Baca has a look at how some high winds could lead to power outages in the next 24 hours.
Yes, definitely. So a spring storm is rolling through. It's wreaking havoc already in the Mississippi River Valley. Some strong tornadoes down there. For us, we're going to be seeing some fast wind gusts, and it kicks in tomorrow morning. So this evening, we just have light rain showers. If we take a live look outside in Grand Haven, you can see how glassy the water is. In comparison to what it'll be tomorrow, this is definitely calm. Tomorrow, we could see waves as big as 10 foot, if not higher. High wind watch has turned into a high wind advisory, and this is going to be between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. for wind gusts between 50 to 60 miles per hour possible, and some power outages are possible along with some scattered down limbs. So for those of you working from home, this is not the best of news. And again, this takes place tomorrow. For lakeshore areas, we have a lakeshore flood advisory that's turned into a lakeshore flood warning. This goes from 5 a.m. Monday to 5 a.m. on Tuesday. Again, waves up to 12 feet possible. That means we are expecting lakeshore flooding, and we're also expecting erosion for those areas. So as we see this spring storm roll in for Monday, keep in mind that it's going to be a fast mover. So all of these impacts are for Monday. Sharp temperature drop is also going to be happening for us. And if we look at just how cold it is off to our northwest, so much snow right now being dumped on the Upper Peninsula. Coming up, we're going to be talking about just how cold we stay after this spring storm and show you your future cast. You can see it roll through.